that big one.
Which one? Oh,
That
you missed it. You trying to kick that one? You got it.
No. No.
Oh, you got it.
1, 2, 3, 1.
Uh-oh, Mr. Bull fell over here. Welcome back, everybody. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon. We're coming out here to the garden because I know I have some okra to pick, hopefully some peppers, and to look at the gigantic pumpkin. Look at it. It's turning orange.
Okay, I don't want the orange.
What do you think about that one?
Okay, let's pick it.
You think it's ready to pick? I don't think so yet. Look at the stem. It's still really green. See that? When the stem starts turning brown, it's done.
It's going to be larger than the trees.
Larger than the trees?
Yeah.
Ooh, we could win a contest with a pumpkin like that. I'm gonna be getting this okra. I forgot to bring my little snippers. What is it? Oh yeah, the pumpkin's growing out here, isn't it? It's unstoppable. But no more pumpkins. All the other ones that start end up shriveling up. So, are any of our beans coming up over here? I don't see any, do you? Let's check the cucumber plant over here. Looking good.
It's still little.
Yeah, it's still little, but it's getting bigger. Got a couple of peppers ready. Sissy and Jonah picked a bunch of them yesterday for me, so look who's coming to visit. We have some bell peppers that are getting pretty big here. There's another one. Oh, here's a pepper. You want to pick this one?
Yeah.
This one right here.
This one? Oh, yeah.
Where did Manny go? I don't see Manly, but I see this new plant here. I wonder what grows on this plant. All right, we are back inside. Tonight I'm making a Southwestern meatloaf with black beans and rice on the side. First, we're gonna get the meatloaf in the oven, of course. We need some finely crushed tortilla chips. So I'm gonna use my little food chopper here. We need about 1 cup, so I'm just gonna try to eyeball here. I think I'll have to do it a couple of times. We'll just fit as many as we can in here and crush these and see what we've got. I have some autumn jazz going back there, and my TV's doing one of its weird things where it doesn't want to turn up or down with the remote. No volume happening right now. I've told y'all about that crazy TV. It's weird. When this happens, we usually have to turn it off for about 5 minutes or so, and then when we plug it back, like completely unplug it, and then when we plug it back up, it'll work. Okay, we're gonna do about that much again because that was just about half a cup there. I don't even know how it got turned up in the first place because I had it down really low this morning. Probably turned itself up. It's kind of weird. So we've got the crushed tortilla chips in there. We're gonna put in 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of pepper. We're gonna use our peppercorn medley here. I'm just gonna eyeball half a teaspoon. Okay. Now we need 2 cups of salsa. I just have this medium restaurant style salsa here. If I can get it open. We're using this whole jar at 16 ounces. Adding some salt, and we're gonna mix all this together. We're gonna shake in just a little bit of this chipotle chili pepper powder. Now we add the ground beef. I have a little over 2 pounds here. Okay, we need 2 eggs. The last thing we add is cheese, and I'm just using this 4-state cheddar, Wisconsin sharp, New York sharp, California mild, and Vermont sharp cheddar cheeses. I think I need a little bit more in here. That wasn't quite 2 cups. There we go. Now you can add more stuff here if you want to. You could add onion. I think a can of drained rotel would be good. Whatever you want to add. Some bell peppers. I think this baked with love pan will be big enough. If not, no big deal. We'll switch it out real quick. Okay, that's it for now. It's going in the oven for 50 minutes, and in about 45 minutes or so we'll prepare the topping, and then we'll put that on and it goes back in for 15 to 20 more minutes. All right, y'all, I got the dishes washed up. While we're waiting until time to cook the other stuff, we are about to try this. Have y'all tried these? I saw it on Walmart's website when I did my pickup order the other day, so I thought, I'm gonna give that a try. I mean, it looks like it would be good. So it's IHOP Cold Foam Iced Latte. I got the pumpkin spice flavor. Pour contents of drink mix, pack it into glass, fill with 8 ounces of cold water, stir to create foam, and enjoy. 8 ounces of cold water.
What is this, Mom?
Cold foam pumpkin spice latte.
Latte. Well, baby, you know now some people ain't ready for this pumpkin.
Oh yeah, I know. Sorry. I'm sorry to all who are not ready.
Some people ain't ready for this.
You're supposed to stir it and it creates the foam. We'll see. Let's get it all stirred up here. And I am going to add ice because I feel like that'll make your tummy hurt if you don't add some ice in there.
It's going to foam up?
I don't know. There's a little bit of foam.
I'll just spin that thing fast.
I'll be getting the ice. There's a little bit of foam. Not a whole lot. He just tasted it on the straw. How was it?
I don't like it.
Let's see.
I ain't gonna lie to you out there, everybody.
Okay.
What do you think? Don't do it.
It's not terrible. If you really like pumpkin spice, you'll like it. And
but it ain't gonna get you in the fall spirit.
Right. It kind of tastes a little fakey. You know, a little fakey fake.
Yeah, that's gonna taste like Halloween right there. Don't do it.
We're getting a little more foam now. It is creating more foam now, but yeah, it's not terrible. I mean, it's not terrible. If you like pumpkin spice, you might like it. I do need to tell y'all this about this thing though. First of all, once again, we are definitely getting the foam now. It is the best powdered coffee mix drink I've ever had. Like I could drink that, and it's, you know, it's really not terrible. Titus doesn't like pumpkin spice drinks, so of course he's like, no. But it is not terrible. It does kind of have a little bit of that aftertaste that you get from, you know, nutrition shakes and drinks and stuff like that. It's okay. All right, 50 minutes is up. We're gonna make the topping now. We need about half a cup of ketchup, the juice of half of a lime. I'm just gonna squeeze this by hand. A little bit of salt. And we're gonna use a little bit of this chili lime rub. Not a lot, because we put the lime juice in there. I just wanna put just a little, about half a teaspoon. And a teaspoon of brown sugar. All right, we're gonna spread this on top of the meatloaf, and then it's going back in for 20 more minutes. It tastes like a taco
Just
in
like a
meatloaf
taco.
form. In meatloaf
Really
form.
Mm-hmm.
It is good, yeah.
I like it.
It takes you by surprise because it seriously tastes like a taco, but you feel like you're gonna get the meatloaf taste, but it's taco. It's great.
That rice is good.